How to fix. Unfortunately, Instagram has stopped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. Open Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. Just you will find here update and click on it, and that's it. It's easy. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, scroll down until you find storage, then just clean some space. You can clean junk files. This one will help you to fix your problem. Applications cache, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix it, then restart your phone and go to settings. This one for Android phones, go to apps again, type here Instagram and click on it, then click force stop, go to storage, clear cache and click OK, and you will need to log in again to your accounts, but that will fix your problem. And see you in the next video.